welcome back. I ain't be that reap. Now I appreciate you for tuning in. So today, I'll pick up from Finishline. I'm gonna do my best to get this video uploaded tonight. So as I finish this shooting and editing, I'm definitely gonna try to speed up the process as much as I can. So just bear with me. But yeah, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we got the Vote Gold Jordan 1s. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well so you won't miss my next upload. And for this one, I'm definitely going to do it on foot because everyone says they're ugly, but as you can see, I like them. So, standard Nike box. Go ahead and get that size 12. You already know what time it is. The official colorway reads white, black, and vote. And ironically, that's the part that no one likes. So I haven't seen these yet. I didn't check them out in stores. One customer that was in front of me, he pulled his pair out, so I got a glimpse. But I wanted to save like my full reaction for the video, so we can check these out together for the first time. Uh-oh. It's peeking out already. Initial first reaction. I don't know, see, I think it's some glue stains or something. Oh yeah. This is crazy. Hold on. So here we go. The Vote Gold Jordan 1s. And there's a good amount of differences on this, so I'm definitely gotta give y'all that detailed close-up look, you know what I'm saying? But this is what I was talking about at first. I don't know what that is, like some glue or something, but I'm pretty sure I can get that off. Hopefully. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, it peels off. We get money. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the right shoe and let's get into this up close review because there's a lot of differences that I had no idea about before. Oh yeah, and like you get the cream laces and the black laces. Personally, I was rocking with the cream, but for video purposes with it on foot, I'll throw in both so you can see. So starting on the right side with the heel, you have the Vote Gold. Well, not Vote. The gold, the University Gold on the heel tab with the Vote stitching. And then you go up to the ankle collar. Of course, you have the Vote flap, ankle flap. And then you have like an exposed foam instead of leather at the top of the ankle. So that is something different. As you can see, I pull the flap back. You can see it more, so that's kind of crazy. Especially for a Jordan 1, you know, I guess Nike and Jordan brand trying to switch it up. And then, you know, the side panel, of course. You have that leather. It's a little tumbled. Quality is pretty, you know, standard for a Jordan 1 these days. Not premium, but it's not stiff, you know what I'm saying? Then when you get to the bottom of the lace holders or the eye stays, you get this flap, so it's kind of like an off-white vibe. You know how Nike does. One shoe or one collab gets a lot of attention, and they try to incorporate it with their general releases or limited releases, whichever one comes first. But yeah, this is the elements that I believe of the off-white one. So shout out to Virgil, Mr. 50/50. Then you have the leather wrapping around the toe box, and then you have the white toe cap as well. But once you go up the tongue, you see the color change, and it goes from the pure white to like a cell or cream color. And then as you can see at the top of the tongue, you have a translucent tongue tag, but it's actually reversed. So, you know, which would normally you'll see on the inside of the tongue, you see on the outside, and then on the inside, that's when you see the Nike Air, and that University Gold tongue translucent tag with the Nike Air and that Volt. And you can also see on the tongue itself, you have that exposed foam. So yeah, this shoe is pretty interesting as far as quality and materials they use. Like, let alone the color. I mean, everybody knows that, you know, the colorway is crazy, but the actual materials and like the placement of certain colorways or certain colors. Yeah, the color placement materials, man, how they constructed this shoe is crazy. As you can tell from like my video, how I'm talking to you guys, like I'm just like, wow, this is crazy. I didn't even know half this stuff was on the shoe. So yeah, I'm definitely a big fan of these. On foot will be coming very soon, weather permitting, of course. So in VA, you know, you never know. The weather can say one thing, and you go outside, it's a totally different story. So yeah, weather permitting, on foot will be coming soon. And this will be the only time that I ask you guys to dislike the video. Now, hear me out. I just want to see how many people like the shoe and how many don't. Or if you flip-flop from this particular review, or if you start seeing more pictures, you kind of, you know, transition. Because I know a lot of people are on my head about these shoes. So drop that like if you actually like this video. I mean, not the video, but of course, if you like the video, you know, you won't be here. But if you like the shoe, go ahead, drop that like. And if you don't like the shoe, go ahead, drop that dislike. I just want to see how the numbers balance out. But yeah, this is definitely one you have to see in hand. I feel like if more people like saw it in hand, it'd change their mind. And if you didn't get lucky on these, I don't think resale is going for too much right now. Like I said, definitely trying to get this video out tonight so you can gauge it better. Yeah, it's $234 right now. Well, that's a size 12 anyway, so let's see. Zoom in on that junk. But yeah, it's probably more on GOAT. But so if you do want these and struck out, and you're not trying to wait, I will probably go ahead and buy them now. I mean, but you don't know if they're gonna go up or down, so you know how the sneaker game goes. It's just like you gotta gauge it. But yeah, it's been your boy Yet I Reap. Got the Volt Gold Jordan 1s, kind of like a off-white vibe or collab, but yeah, it's crazy. Can't wait to throw these on so y'all can see how they actually look on feet. Maybe that'll change your mind. But yeah, this is going to be a wrap on this video, man. Appreciate you once again for tuning in. Have a lot of stuff coming soon. So definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. Appreciate you. I'm out.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.